Hi guys, what's up? I'm Rupatha and I have been watching Stranger Things ever since the first season came out. So I was so freaking excited when I was scrolling on Instagram and I found this Instagram post. This was the post of like a farewell in Mumbai, but it also said invite only. So I was like, okay, on one side, this is exclusive, this is crazy, no one's gonna get to experience this. But on the other side, I was like, will I even get to experience this? I had office on that day, but I still registered and I asked all my friends to register, and guess what? I got a freaking mail. I got the invite into the event, and I don't know, it was crazy. I was going through so many emotions. Coincidentally, my boss also told me that you don't have to come on that day because we are not coming. So yeah, it worked out great for me. So this is the video where I get ready and try to get to the event on time. If you all want to see what all happened, whether I actually got to the event or not, and what all I experienced and stuff, and also the goodie bag that I got and what I got inside is at the end of the video. But please watch and enjoy and tell me if you liked it, if you liked my vlogging, if you want anything more. Yeah, I'm just so excited for you all to see this video. I literally was like, I cannot procrastinate this anymore. I need to freaking post this. So I'm gonna post it today. Yeah, I'm so excited for you all to watch this. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm dressed up as Erica Sinclair and I tried to find my dungarees and play into this, the mall scene where she's holding an ice cream and she has a star on her cheek. That was all very cute, but I couldn't get my dungarees because my mom gave them away. So I tried to go for this one. This is, I think, episode 5 of the series, which I just watched today because today 3 episodes came at 6:30 a.m. and I couldn't even finish the episode, but I took all pictures of that scene. This is my sweater. I was so scared if I would fit into this because this is so old and I've gained a lot of weight. But I got this newspaper printed out from Blinkit. This is the newspaper that she was holding in the scene. So I'm just gonna take this cutout. I know it's small. I'm trying to fold it to make it look like it. Oh man, it's too small. But it's okay. I'm taking this silly movie cutout. I'm going to do my hair like she's done. So I also have bangs like she does. So I'm going to try and make my bangs look more like hers. Then I'm going to do the 2 moon buns and I'm going to leave the back hair open. Right now it's 4:20 and haha. And I want to leave around like 4:30. I don't think that will happen, but 4:15, 4:45. They said you should reach at 5. The gates will open at 5:30. It's first come first serve basis. I don't want to not get in, so I'm trying to rush. I've just brushed my hair out. I'm going to put some. So she has like little toys out. I'm going to try and get my toys out too. I mean, they anyway come out of whatever hairstyle I do. So this is gonna be my bangs area. I'm just trying to rush this. It's my fault that I'm late. I was thinking instead of braiding, I could just like roll it up. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, that's a weird braid. And okay, that is something. Not it. See, I'm gonna put a bobby pin in it instead of a. Okay, let's do it to the other side too. Can't see because of these 2 bags. Oh, this is so much prettier. No. Oof. This is a silver bobby. Is that something that is so cute? Definitely need to fix this. I had a mirror. I'm just going to blow dry this part, but these are my braids. and rest of my hair is just open. I just want to show you how much effort I went through to find a little bit of a similar outfit. This is my cupboard now. It is not in there, it is in there. So I have to fix that. I'm just gonna do this and put a little bit of makeup. She just has a little bit of lipstick on. I'm gonna put a little concealer and then I'm good to go. I'm gonna take my little newspaper cut out and a little bag, because they said that you can't even bring big bags bigger than a backpack. I don't know if I can get my battery bank, so I'm going to try and charge my phone as much as I can right now. But I'm going to blow out and then I'm going to show you the final look and leave. Bye. Hey, also time update. It's 4:42, so if I can do everything in 3 minutes, I'm on time. If not, I'm late. But not really, because I was anyway early. Okay, I'm going to leave now. I'm stopped talking. Bye. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm leaving right now, but I'm a little late. It's 5 and this is the hair. I blow dried it a little bit, and these are the space buns. I added clips, added this cute. Oh, I only added one earring. Oh shit. Should just take it out. Meh, it's okay. I'm just gonna take it out. This is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna take out the earring. And oh, should I not? Wait, I'll just ask my brother to open the door. And I put some lipstick and concealer, and now I'm gonna get into the train. I'm gonna go to Bandra station. This is also not my floor. Hello. I'm gonna go to Bandra station and take a cab from there. An auto, but I'm gonna book an auto from Uber. Bye. I'm in the train. It's a little weird to pull out a camera and say things here, but it is so weird to go to an event alone without friends, not having anyone to text or be like, I've left, see you there. It's weird, but yeah, I'm ready. I also brought a backpack because she always wears backpacks, so it only makes sense. And yeah, let's see, it's 5:17 right now. I don't know when I'll reach, but I'm gonna reach on time. Okay, bye. The traffic is insane. I cannot believe it. I don't think I'll make it even till 6. How much earlier should I have left? This is insane. Ooh. I'm at the place and I can see the front of the thing. It looks really cool. Oh my god. Over there are a lot of people. I don't know if I'll get entry. Oh my god. Someone actually recognized me as Erica, and they checked the QR and I have the band. I'm inside the gate thing. I found a few people. This is Chinmay. This is Sushmita. Yeah, correct. Yes. We're so excited. Yes, yeah. We got a goodie bag. We got some more. After seeing all of this, we spotted this huge screen and obviously we thought something's gonna happen. Hi. I'm eating. They're taking too long to do anything. Me too.
It's been over 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, we were here since 7. अभी 7:20 हो रहा है. We're just standing. Much entertainment. हम entertainment है.
I'm literally getting cut out of a vlog.
I'm sorry, I'm short. We'll show you if anything happens. Can we have a huge round of applause for yourself?
Sorry. मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है बैंड्रा फोर्ट पे वापस आके.
Brace yourselves and be ready with your phones, as you will most definitely want to record this. Are you all ready? Yes!
फटाक से चालू हो गया, मैं डर जाऊंगी।
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, we are in the auto now. How did you all like the event?
It was fun,
Amazing, amazing. I guess
but थोड़ा सा cringe भी हो गया बीच में।
yeah, maybe 8 on 10, but बहुत
हाँ,
like,
yeah, it was
बहुत
fun.
ज़्यादा
yes.
like.
And especially हमारा अचानक से जो ग्रुप बन गया।
Yeah, we are all strangers, but not anymore.
Not anymore. And then more people started talking to
Yeah,
us.
it was amazing, amazing.
But
It was
then
a different kind of experience.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
yeah, definitely.
Did
And
nice.
also we got something, so
yeah, that's
Merch,
I think
something
the
tangible.
Free merch.
yeah.
Something tangible. So we are happy puppies now.
But we didn't get the Polaroid
Yeah, the
picture.
Polaroids. It was a bummer.
And it's like they didn't tell anyone that it's over.
Yeah.
They just stopped and left. So that was not nice. But other than that, it was a good event.
Good experience. 8 on 10.
Yeah, we did. Okay, so I'm back from the event. It was so fun. And maybe the event was not all that I expected. But the whole experience of like going alone and then making new friends, meeting new people and trying to be confident and putting yourself out there basically. I think that was really fun and cool. And now I'll open the goodie bag with you guys. Also some people, I don't know how many, I think 2 people recognized me as Erica and that was really cool. It felt like a win for all this effort. I'll show you the goodie bag. The front says Netflix Stranger Things. My dog's hair is already on it. The back says Hellfire Lives. So this is a really cool tote bag. This was the first thing I saw. This is a Stranger Things bandana. I'm gonna wear this everywhere. This is so cool. Oh my god. This is insane. The second item is this keychain. It's a Demogorgon. It's a rubber keychain and it has a band saying Netflix Stranger Things. And lastly, also so cool. This is magnetic. Like this closes magnetically. This is the last item. It's open. Did I get someone else's goodie bag? I don't know. This is a t-shirt. Oh my god. Really cool. I'm seeing it for the first time by the way. Oh my god. This is really cool. That's all I got. And I love it. I love this experience so much and I know that because it's only happening in Mumbai, not everyone can experience it. Which is especially why I wanted to vlog this because everyone should be able to see what all happened. And this just makes me more excited to binge all the episodes. I was going to binge all the episodes before going to the event and I tried my best but I could not even finish one episode. So now I'm gonna eat food and binge all the episodes because now I'm even more hyped to see what's gonna happen. And apparently the last episode is coming on 1st Jan, we know that, but apparently it's a 2-hour episode, so it's almost a movie. I am super excited to start off my year with an episode of Stranger Things. By the way, this is obviously not sponsored. I have like 2 videos on my channel, so for anyone, I have a friend who has asked me, "Oh, are you sponsored?" When I was showing some tea brand, and I was like, "Brother, I have like 17 subscribers. Hello." So no, this is not sponsored. All of this was free, and let me know if I do look like Erica, because I think I did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed. I lost my voice, but I really very like I recommend you go out alone. If you have no one to go with, still go to the event, go to that concert, go to that cafe, because my god, how long are you gonna keep waiting for others? Although I was not waiting for anyone, Netflix did not invite my other friends. That is not their fault. So, or mine, or Netflix. I don't know. It is Netflix's fault. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope next time I can go with my friends. And yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.